Have you been seeing ads and ASMR videos of these super cute miniature scene stickers? Well, I finally broke down and bought a huge haul of these stickers from AliExpress. Now, this was my very first time, so I'm going to share everything you need to know from the ordering process to the unboxing and the quality of the stickers themselves. Surprisingly, it was actually really great and super affordable. So, first, let's head over to the AliExpress website. AliExpress is a marketplace full of multiple sellers, and you can see here the yellow label says choice. Basically, a product could be part of this choice program, and if you meet a certain dollar amount, then you can qualify for free shipping. And you can do that. You can buy from multiple stores. So if you put them all into your cart and they're all part of that choice program, they'll all add up to that minimum dollar amount that you need for free shipping, and they will consolidate all of your orders into a larger package. At least that's what happened with my first order. I'm not sure if you have a really big order, if they'll still split that into multiple packages. And so you'll see they have a bunch of different promos going on. You might see a new first time buyer promo, or right now when I'm recording, there's like a spring sale going on. One thing about the search is it's not always exact. So you can see here, I wanted the capybara sticker scenes, but most of these are actually just sticker rolls or like loose capybara stickers that like they sell in bulk. As far as the shipping time goes for AliExpress to the US, I actually put in an order on February 2nd and I received it on February 14th. So that was about 12 full days, including weekends, that it took for the entire shipping process. And they do send you a lot of updates via email, so you'll know when to expect your package to arrive. Okay, so for the unboxing, the package that I received was everything in one big plastic bag, and now you can see it's actually pretty thin and there's not a lot of extra cushioning on the inside to protect stuff from moving around. They, just kind of folded the bag over. And on the inside are individual envelopes from 6 of the separate stores that I ordered from. Everything was correct in my order. I didn't have any problems with missing items at all. And now I'll go ahead and show you the individual sets. This one came with a set of 6, and it was a mix of cute animals. I think there's some capybaras, rabbits, and 2 different styles. Those last 2 were kind of unique. Usually they're the hexagon shapes. I also got this one as a unique set. This one looks more like water bottles or glass jars, and these have little people in them instead of animals. And I'll go ahead and open this one so that you could see what it looks like. Most of these miniature sets are about 4 to 5 inches in like width, so they're kind of like a small greeting card size, and they'll come with the completed picture on the back, and then that little jar is actually just like a card stock, like a greeting card type material, and then the stickers are clear plastic. And this set was really unique. This one is like a Chinese courtyard, and it comes with like 4 different seasons, so it's supposed to be like spring, summer, winter, and fall. And I'll open up one of these too because these are a little bit different. So even though they have that kind of isometric, the perspective to it, and all the little buildings and everything are at angles, this one actually doesn't have any lines on the paper, and it's not shaped into a hexagon. It's just like this rectangle, and it has just the outlines of the kind of brown color. This one's for the winter scene. So I think this one might be a little bit more challenging to complete. It looks like on the back there's also a version that has kind of just a really light drawing, so I guess you could do it on the back too if you wanted more guidance. So these sets are really flexible. You could do it freestyle if you want, or if you like to follow the rules, you could just follow the pictures that are on the back. This set was a cute one with little cats in a house, and you're supposed to be able to stack all 4 of those rooms together to make a larger house. But this set was actually really small, so you could see as compared to the other ones that are like a hexagon shape. I'll open this one up and you'll see that it's like smaller than a credit card style. So it did come with a roof separate from the little room in case you want to stack them together, or if you want to make 4 separate houses if you buy the set of 4. And it's just really tiny. I didn't really expect it to be this small. Okay, set number 5. This one was just a pack of 4, and it was all capybaras. That was a climbing gym. This one's like a sauna or spa. We've got a bookshop and a grocery store. And set number 6, this one was all cats, and this one again was like a 4-season outdoor Chinese courtyard for spring, summer, fall, and winter. Set number 7 was a mixed set, and it's got a panda like restaurant scene and a Christmas scene. This one's a carnival and a like winter ski resort. Set number 8, this one was an extra large set, and this is one of the first videos I saw with this. I think it's called Squirrel Supermarket ASMR, which is really cute. This one is a Grand Via. This one's a hot pot restaurant. And then we've got a bookshop. And these all have like different animals on them. Set number 9, this was a set of 8 different ones. And this one has kind of small pictures on the back of the packaging, so I have to put that really close to the camera so you can see it. And I believe this one, the brand is actually called Telado. They make a lot of different stationery products, but it's usually not listed in the description if you're searching for that brand. Set number 10, this was the final one that I got, which was an actual book, and this is a 20-in-1 booklet. It's a hardcover with a spiral on it, which is really nice for keeping it protected if you want to throw it in your bag and take it with you somewhere. It did have a couple little plastic pieces that fell out when I opened it. And then the way it's arranged is it has the clear sticker sheets, and it comes with the completed room as an actual smaller sticker actually on it. And then let me just flip through here so you can see some of the other things. So it's got 20 different scenes, and they all have that completed tiny sticker. And then this page looks like it's got some kind of instructions on it. And then instead of the separated hexagon, it's actually just a full page with the hexagon in the middle. So you could actually move things out. It has numbers on the bottom there, and I think they match with the numbers on the cardboard pages there as well. So you can figure out which sticker goes with which background. And it comes with a variety of scenes. They're a mix of animals and little people, but it is pretty hard to see what it is. And again, this one, the brand is called Telado, and it's they have a few of those. This one has a mini panda on the front of it in the lower left corner. And here, the set number 9 that I showed you, it was an 8-pack. Some of them were duplicates of the same scenes in this 20-in-1 scene pack, or 20-in-1 book. So I'm going to open this up so you can see the difference. So the individual pack has actually 2 of the completed pictures, so it's on the packaging, and then there's like a little flip over thing as well, and then there's the blank base, and then it comes with the sticker sheets. And so you'll see that that's the same one that's listed here. And let me look for the base to see where it is here. This one is the school. So yeah, so it's got the stickers, and then the base, you can see here, it's just a full page instead of a cutout hexagon. But this one's kind of nice if you like repurposing your materials. Like, you could definitely use these in greeting cards or scrapbooks if you wanted to cut those out, because it does come with several of the finished pieces. And I think in that set of 8 there were about 5 duplicates that were also in this 20-in-1 book. So overall, I was really pleasantly surprised by this haul from AliExpress. I think it's definitely worth it because I got about over 60 different sets, and I paid under $50 total, including tax. So that's way less than $1 per sticker pack. And the quality is really good. I can't really tell yet which stickers are more opaque and which are more see-through until you start working on that. So I'll try to report back later to see what the quality of each individual one is. But overall, yeah, I highly recommend ordering from AliExpress. I've got links in the video description below to all the ones that I bought. And they are affiliate links, so it would be awesome if you could support this channel as I try to make more content about miniature sets. And since you stayed all the way to the end, I'm going to show you the easy translation secret that I found. So on my iPhone, there is an app that comes with the iPhone iOS. It's called Translate, and if you go here and go down to the bottom where it says camera, and you can change the languages that you want to translate. I put simplified Chinese on here, and what I'm doing is just put your camera in front of the characters on this book, and it automatically translates it for you. And so you can figure out what these stickers are actually saying without asking someone else who speaks Chinese. So the translations may or may not be like 100% accurate. I tried it a couple times and sometimes it did say something different. But it's good enough where you can figure out, like on this 20-in-1 book, it's got a list here, and I think it's supposed to tell you like which scenes go with which pages of stickers, because not all of the stickers fit on one page. So you can see here like that Meow Meow coffee shop. The stickers are on P1 and P23. So if you're looking at the base, you can see at the very top, it's got a number there at the top, and that should match what's down at the bottom as well.